Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to change the brake pads on your 2009 through 2010 Honda CRF450r. The tools you will need are a flathead screwdriver, 5mm hex wrench, 8mm socket, and a torque wrench. The parts you will need are a set of new brake pads for the front and rear calipers. If you don't have your pads yet, you can get yours through the link below. Changing your pads can cost between $5 and $25 depending on what pads you go with, and should take about 15 minutes. Start by removing the pad pin plug and pad pin from the caliper. Push your caliper in and out to make some room, and the old pads should come right out. Unless something is obviously damaged, the only thing you need to replace are your pads. When installing your pads, you will not be able to see your outside pad, so you will have to feel around for the pad retainer, and it will feel like this looks. Place the outside pad first and hold it into place with the pin. Place the inside pad, then install the pad pin. Torque the pad pins to 13 foot-pounds. Make sure to visit FixYourDirtBike.com for the detailed step-by-step walkthrough, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.